Hey guys, welcome to Trending Tube. Friends, my name is Biswa, and in this video I'm going to show you a product called as Glis, which I purchased from IKEA. This is basically a box with lid. This will be your one of the utility product that you definitely should have on the study desk or on the work desk, which will be helpful to put smaller items on an organized way. So definitely you can opt for this whenever you visit an IKEA. It is under the price that I paid at around 149 rupees, around 150 rupees, which is approximately $2 in US currency. Let me quickly open it. This comes with three different boxes with lid on it, and then the dimension is important, guys. Here the height is 8 centimeter and a 17 centimeter of vertical height, and then it comes with a width of 10 centimeter. Okay, so you get three different boxes on the price that you paid. Okay, let me quickly open it and then show you the quality, guys. So guys, it comes with three different lids. If you see, one lid is already fitted to this particular yellow box, and two different boxes. If you see here, one box, the quality is I would say quite well, I mean very good. I mean it's basically a strong plastic, guys, and it is designed made in India. You will definitely find it in any other IKEA store as well. And let me quickly put it. So this color has a different, so I'll have to adjust to this particular color. It is even fixing it quite easy. There is a hole over here, I mean hole on the cap, which you need to put it on the bar which is provided there, and then you need to, this is the lock, guys. It is very well. I mean the earlier version I had another one. Let me show you that as well. Yeah guys, I have this from my previous purchase from IKEA. This is the same box which I got it recently, and I'm using it from quite a long period of time. But the problem that I faced with this particular box, this is the same box, guys, but the opener, if you see, the opener is very light. I mean it will if you press it from this side also, it will get opened. So but in this new one, guys, they have fixed this particular issue, and if you see that, it will not get open until and unless you apply some good amount of pressure here. It will not at all open. So they fixed this, guys. So I would recommend you to definitely purchase this whenever you go to IKEA. So I do have three different colors. If you see, let me fix this one as well quickly. Yeah, so you can have it on the side of your work desk, and you can put it one above other as well, so that it will not stick, because if you see on the cap, they have given the particular holes which the bottom of the other box will definitely get and fit in. So you will save space. It will be and also the box will not get disturbed even if you tremble from the bottom. Okay, so guys, that's all from for this video. And the product that as I mentioned, Glis, three items per purchase amount, which around 149 rupees. Product purchase link will be there in the description section. Definitely visit and purchase it from IKEA if you can. Okay, thank you guys, take care, bye bye.